Okay, so today we're going to be, again, I feel like this time of the year in Bridges, it's a lot of review skills. So we're kind of, we're hitting back on area models, but also how they connect to standard algorithm. So we're going to be doing 2-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers today. So let's say like 78 times, and you can really try any numbers if you want to try this at home, just with markers, the same way I am. I'm going to do 78 times 5. Okay, so I set it up standard algorithm because that's one thing we're going to be focusing on. So method number 1, I'm going to just write SA, standard algorithm. Okay, and then down here, I'm going to draw a rectangle. Okay, and that's going to be for my, I'll write it over here, method. Method just means way. Way number 2, we're going to solve it, and that's going to be AM, area model. Okay, so 2 different ways to solve 2-digit by 1-digit problems. Okay, so for the area model, let's go ahead and set it up really quick. So I see that over here, this factor is just plain old 5. So I can put that there. And this factor is 78. Now, a way I've seen this done is, I mean, you can split it any way you want. Like you could write 70 and 8 and that would be fine. But one way I have seen this done is thinking about, okay, there's 8 in the ones place. So writing that first. And then this is worth 70, right? It's not just worth 7. It's worth 70 because it's in the tens place. So doing that second. Okay? Let me just make sure this is all fitting in the video. Okay, good enough. All right, so standard algorithm. If I was multiplying this just using the standard algorithm, my first move would be 5 times 8. Okay, also, if I'm doing this with the area model, I see my first move is 5 times 8. 5 times 8 gets me 40. So let's look at the the standard algorithm first. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. So 5 times 8 got me 40. Okay. And now next up, I would say 5 times 7. Now I'm calling it a 7, but really what is this worth because it's in the tens place? It's really worth 70. So it's really like 5 times 70, which is what you see down here, 5 times 70. So 5 times 7 is 35 with a 0. Okay, and so for here, 5 times 7 is 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So don't forget to add those. Okay, so now here, I got my product already. I multiplied out the 5 by the 8 and by the 70. Here, I multiplied the 5 out by the 8 and by the 70. Okay, now it's saying my product is 390. Let's see if we agree. Now remember, the area is what's inside. So 5 times 78. Let's see what it got us all in the inside. It's 40 and it's 350. So I have to add that up. 350 plus 40 equals 390. Okay, so my area model and my standard algorithm allowed me to arrive to the same solution. You're going to be doing a few problems like this today, 2-digit by 1-digit, just making this connection, and then tomorrow we move right into 2-digit by 2-digit.